How to find personal info settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find personal info settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. After that click these 3 points here, then click edit profile, and as you see here you will find personal info settings. Now just click on it, and as you see here you can manage anything you want: first name, last name, gender, birthday and nickname. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.